Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to complete Form 8829, updated. Start by gathering Form 8829, your tax return, and expense records, then measure your home office square footage precisely. I will guide you through identifying deductible home expenses, allocating them between business and personal use, and calculating the allowable business percentage. Follow along and pause when needed, so you can enter accurate numbers on each line with confidence and avoid common mistakes. To calculate business use, measure your office and total home space, then divide to get the business percentage. Apply that percentage to indirect expenses such as utilities, insurance, and mortgage interest to find the deductible portion. Keep direct expenses separate, like repairs or improvements made solely for the office. I'll explain where to enter each amount on Form 8829 and how to reconcile totals with your Schedule C numbers so entries align. Quick recommendation: if you're doing taxes late at night, the Kindle Paperwhite makes reference guides easy to read anywhere, and it's a handy companion during long-form sessions. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear, updated walkthroughs. Check the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Depreciation can lower your taxable income, but requires careful calculation for the business portion of your home. I'll show how to compute basis, allocate that basis to the office space, and calculate the yearly depreciation amount to enter on Form 8829. If deductions exceed limits, you can carry disallowed amounts forward to future years. Follow my step-by-step approach to avoid overstating depreciation and triggering IRS adjustments during an audit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.